guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be doing some bulgur and oats porridge with a variety of spice. Also, we're going to be using some coconut milk. I want you to bring to boil 3 cups of water. But before we go over to the water, I want to show you that you can enjoy bulgur in a porridge as well. You know, you don't have to just use it as a rice substitute or with peas. With bulgur, you don't have to do that. You can use it as a breakfast menu as well. Right, so let's get straight over to this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel, right? Alright, so we're going to add our salt as well as our cinnamon leaves and cardamom. Now, cardamom is an excellent spice. I think it complements any ingredients that contain milk, so I always like to put it in my porridge. Alright, we're going to let all of these flavors come together before adding our bulgur. Right, in the meantime, I want you to go ahead and wash your bulgur before adding it to the pot. Alright, now that our flavors has released and smelling so good, we're going to add in our bulgur. And remember, we want this to cook. We don't want it to start sticking together, right? Because remember, it's porridge and it's not like rice we're gonna do, right? And this will take a little time to cook. No rush. You know, you can come in sometime and you can give it a little stir just to not allow them to start sticking together. Now, what I want to point out to you, a lot of people use flour to give this porridge body, but we're going to be using the oats, right? So we're going to blend the oats into flour and add it to this, right? You'll see when I do it. And you can see that it's coming together pretty fine. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and add like half cup of water before adding the coconut milk. We're going to add in our coconut milk now. The additional coconut milk that I reserve, I'm going to use it to blend the oats. You want to make sure your porridge not sticking to the bottom of the pot, alright? Keep a note of that. At this time, we're going to go ahead and add our oats. Ensure that you keep stirring, and you can see the consistency of the porridge has changed, right? We're going to keep stirring to combine everything, right? This porridge is so tasty, guys. Full of fiber, right? So if you want a change from the oats porridge, then this one is definitely a must have or must try. Our almond essence, just a little. Just a little tip, guys, if you like your porridge to be a little bit smoother, you can go ahead and you can, if you have a hand blender, you can put the blender in it and blend it, or you can add it back to some of it to your blender and blend it. But I don't have a problem with how it is right now. This is how I like mine. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add some nutmeg. And nutmeg always bring up the flavor of porridges. Oh my god, I don't think any porridge would taste good without the use of nutmeg, right? But if you don't have nutmeg, you can use allspice. Just a little bit of your allspice, right? We're going to sweeten now. Our sweetener of choice is agave. You can sweeten with whatever sweetener you like. And you sweeten to taste. Alright guys, our porridge is finished, and I don't know if you're hungry, but I am hungry, so I'm going to enjoy some right now. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Until next time, bye.